Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Then loosen and remove the lower ball joint of the sway bar links. To do this, use a 17mm open-end wrench and a 16mm open-end wrench to slow down the rotation of the ball joint. During this operation, you will be working on the front axle of your car, so it is advisable to perform a parallelism afterwards. The sway bar link connects the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. Remove the nut. Repeat the operation on the upper part of the link. Remove the nut and the sway bar link.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Put the sway bar link back in place. Roughly reinstall the nuts. Insert a 17mm open-end spanner behind the bracket holding the sway bar links and tighten the nut with a 17mm spanner. Repeat the operation on the upper part of the link. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.